In a village lived a cat and a dog together. The dog ran around every day, helped everyone, and said, "Only hard work brings success." The cat stayed calm, sat under a tree, and replied, "Wisdom is just as important." One day, the village faced a shortage of food. The dog ran everywhere searching, but soon got tired. The cat observed quietly and cleverly found hidden grain in a safe place. Together, they helped the villagers. The dog learned that success needs not only hard work, but also thinking. The cat learned that when wisdom is combined with effort, success is certain. Moral: true success comes from both hard work and wisdom.